This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by signing into Drive for Desktop and connecting the correct Google account. Once done, pick Stream versus Mirror. Streaming mounts the cloud as a virtual drive to save disk space, while mirroring downloads files for offline work. Make sure the shared folder is visible in Shared Drives or Shared with Me and the owner gave you suitable permissions, otherwise you can't sync it. Next, open Drive Preferences to prepare for selective syncing. This is where you control. Now you'll add the shared folder to the sync list inside Drive Preferences. Navigate to the Google Drive tab when streaming or the My Computer tab when mirroring, then find the shared folder under Shared with Me or via the web link. Select Add or tick, sync this folder, and confirm the local folder path where files will appear. Make sure to adjust upload and download bandwidth limits if your network is busy. Doing so prevents slowdowns and keeps other tasks responsive. Finish by watching the drive icon in your system tray or menu bar until it reports up to date. Once you see that, create a small test file locally to confirm it uploads and appears on the web. This proves the sync works both ways. If something goes wrong, try re-authenticating your Google account, ensuring the folder owner hasn't revoked access, and then pause and restart Drive for Desktop. These steps resolve most permission and sync cache issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.